Happy Sunday! Are you gonna say hi to the love bugs?
What's going on, love bugs?
What's going on, love bugs?
Hey, what's up, Dad? Hey. So we are in the midst of cleaning our girls' room, and my husband was like, we might as well record it before and after of their room. We've started already cleaning. Like, this was a whole mess. So we got all that together, and look, he's sweeping, pointing to the trash. You want them to see the trash?
Yes.
That's not even all the trash. Like, that's not even all their trash. I threw out a lot, and I just was straightening up their dresser. Now, they need a new bedroom set. So I don't know if I want to buy them one. I kind of want to do a DIY and like sand this down, the whole thing, and basically repaint both of these because they're still pretty good drawers. So I don't know if we're going to buy another one or sand these down and do a DIY. But I'll let you know. So for right now, disregard that. They're going to get a new bedroom set, like a new bed, period. But we thinking about if we're going to do a new dresser. And I don't know, babe. I kind of want to do it. You know, I've been telling you for the longest I wanted to sand this and paint it white or whatever. Or just do the natural wood. I don't know. I wanted to do a big to-do. But we're getting ready to decorate and redo their room a little bit. We're starting it off or whatever. And so hubby wanted to record. So, hey, he says turn on the camera. I'm going to turn the camera. And I'm just going to post the camera up right here. You guys can watch us clean.
Mommy, we already done.
We're not done. So, yeah. That's what we're going to do. Camera stop, guys. My bad. How you feel? You feel a little better? We want to get some curtains. We want to try to get them like a light. Hubby is so mad. He's seen a hanging light with like colorful, pretty colors like this, but he was in his work truck. He couldn't get it, and I think when he went back, it was like gone or something like that. So yeah. So gave you a little overview. It feels like a room
I'm
now.
gonna bust KJ head. Tell him I see this room messed up. Then KJ gonna fight.
What you gonna say to the camera? Does it feel like a room?
Feel like a room. It look like a room.
And now, because I used to get on my nerve when I used to want to sit in the bed and watch TV. And I mean, I just want them to be as comfortable as we can make it for them until we're blessed with bigger and better. But right now, we're grateful for what we have, and we're going to make the best out of it. We're going to make it comfy and dope at the same time, 'cause that's how I get down. And I just wanted them to have those to like lean up on when they, you know, sitting up drinking their juice or eating their cookies or whatever. Just have something to lean up on. So I'm going to do another walk-in overview, guys. It was a quick, last-minute vlog of cleaning our kids' room. So this is walking in the door. It's like bouncy. You feel that?
Daddy, put it on the bed too.
So no jumping on the bed, but you can sit down and watch TV and be comfy. How do you like it, Skyla?
It's the best vet ever. I wish I can stay.
Well, it's your room.
Yes.
You can stay.
Yes.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
Say to your parents. What do you say to mommy and daddy?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm sorry. I wish I would have just grabbed the camera earlier and started recording when we first started doing this room, because you guys will be like, yeah, I see the transformation. But because I didn't pick it up earlier, and I wasn't really thinking about it, I was just trying to get it done and get it cute. But I hope you guys liked it. I hope you loved what we did. I found all this stuff at Dollar General, guys. Like the bedding, the pillow, the big long pillow, the 2 pillows here. When the shams came with it, Dollar General with the rug. I spent like, with taxes, $86 for this stuff. So I saw it. We was in there to get some little like oil and stuff for the car. Saw this, thought it was cute. Was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get my baby's room together. But all right, that's it for us, guys. Thank you for clicking in. It's gonna be a quick little video. Just wanted to get this up for you guys because hubby said grab the camera, record. Wish you would have did it earlier, but love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in to our video. Bye. Ready deuces? Baby, you'll come deuces with us?
No, I'm coming for the
He
deuces.
coming for the deuces.
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 Yeah.